Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really simple little butterfly applique. So let's get started. I'm working with 100% cotton worsted in a pink and a purple and a 4mm crochet hook. The first thing I'm going to do is make this center section. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join, and that forms a ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. Double crochet in the ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make 2 double crochet in the ring. 1, 2. Chain 2, 1, 2. Still carrying the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Make 2 double crochet in the ring. 1 and 2. Chain 2, 1, 2. 2 double crochet in the ring. So I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 little clusters of double crochets at the end of the row. Chain 2, and then find that first chain 2 and slip stitch to join. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 little clusters of 2 double crochet each with a chain 2 space in between. Now there's that center yarn that we worked over. You can pull that yarn and close up that hole. And I'm just going to tie these 2 off. And if you loop this twice, that's a surgeon's knot, it's not as likely to come undone. I'm going to bring in another color, join in any of the chain 2 spaces. And lock it in. And in this same space, I'm going to make 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Like that, 8 in the same chain 2 space. Slip stitch into the next chain 2 space. And work 8 double crochet. 1, like that, 8 double crochet, slip stitch into the next stitch. Now these are going to be the 2 bottom wings. Now for the next 2 wings, I'm going to work triple crochet. So yarn around the hook 2 times. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So I'm going to go ahead and make 8 triple crochet in this chain 2 space. Okay, I worked 8 triple crochet in that space. And I'm going to slip stitch to join in that very first stitch. And fasten off. And tie these 2 off. And there's how that looks. 8 double crochet, 8 triple crochet. And I just have some black yarn here. And I'm just going to crochet a chain for the body and the antenna. Like that, I chained 30. And I'm going to make a knot at each end. Trim off the ends, like that. Now I'm going to place it in the center of my butterfly. And bring those up level. And tie a knot. Like that. And there you have a cute little butterfly. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.